description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we get to check this out. This came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks a lot, man. This is a Snoopy cup noodle style deal thing. And it's got Snoopy on it. It's beef flavor. I don't know where it was made. Vietnam or South Korea, I'm not sure. But why is it boiling? Oh. Anyways, it's beef flavor. And it's for the Taiwanese market. So that's neat. It's got Snoopy. And it's cool and clean, and its name is the Snoopy Snow Cone Machine. You put ice cubes in and get a snow cone out. It's fun, yum yum yum, it's what it's all about. Pepperidge Farm remembers. Who doesn't remember that crap? If you don't remember the Snoopy Snow Cone Machine, you oughta. Alright. Where is that? Is that fill line really that high? That's ridiculous. But it'll work. I'm fine with that. I'm going to double check that that line is correct. Is there a graphic that I can look at? No, that's right there. And hopefully there's no hole in this cup because that was a little difficult. But and that also means that I'm going to have to use a totally different bowl than I was expecting. Because with that much space, the bowl that I was planning on using, it will not fit. Okay. So there's our... It's only 9:30 this morning. I'm stoked. I'm rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling. Okay, we don't need that one. We need... I gotta find me a new bowl. Where is that bowl? I know what bowl to use. Not this one. We'll use this one. It's a Taiwanese bowl. At least I'm pretty sure it's from Taiwan. God, I haven't used this bowl in forever. There, we'll try this one now. I definitely have a selection that I can choose from, that's for sure. Oh, what did I... Okay, I did get a bowl. Alright, we're good. We're not going to use this one. Okay. Back in business. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. And this will be from the third one I do. Noodles. Noodles, 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 noodles. Yeah, that's good to be sitting over there. It does. It's got little Snoopies. Look. Come, look at this. Little Snoopies. Snoopy fish cake. Hooray. You can put anything you want on a disc of kamaboko. You really can. I've heard people say that they taste really good. I don't find them to have much flavor, but more of a texture, and I think that's complimentary. Wow, they're not kidding. They are sharing the wealth of kamaboko maki slice fish cake. Oh, that's neat. But what about Woodstock? I think there's another variety that has Woodstock, but it's not done. It's not ready to taste yet. Not until now. Okay, so now it's done officially. So first things first, let's try a little Snoopy head. Cheers. Yeah, rubbery little fish cake, about as expected. And here's the noodle. Noodle's all right. There's our broth. So I read in two places. One said from Vietnam and one said from South Korea. But if this is, say, a Paldovina product, it just said Cota, C-O-T-A. But if it's Paldovina, then that can be a Korean company that also operates in Vietnam. But these lids, I've only seen this style lid. Can you kind of see that reflection on there? See that pattern? That screams Vietnamese to me. So it's probably made by Paldovina in Vietnam for the Taiwanese market. Got it? Okay. That's my guess. I could totally be wrong. That's my guess. And that would make a little more sense with the flavor profile of beef, because that's very much a beef is beloved in South Korea. Okay, and I want this to go right. Well, I guess that'll work right about there. Okay, it's hot. Okay. Get a little bit more veg in there. So yeah, the broth has just a hint of heat to it. And a little kamaboko are neat. So what are we gonna do here to this one? Well, my go-to, instead of dealing with the whole beef deal, is Chinese sausage. So we're gonna do that. A couple Snoopy heads. Chinese sausage. I am gonna do egg today. After I do I'm gonna get more of that. I've been doing so many reviews lately, ladies and gentlemen, that I need more scallions. And I got new eggs last night. and that's exciting to me. Okay, don't slide. Don't slide. You're doing well. Yeah, I really like these eggs. A lot. These are Open Nature. I don't think it says heirloom on them, but they're the local groceries premium range. They're blues and browns. They're really nice. And they've got a nice deep yolk, although I'm gonna say these don't have as deep of a yolk as I'm used to. But at $7 a dozen, you can't beat that. Alright. Nice friendly bowl this morning. With one more to go. Not bad. Oh. Alright, thanks again to James from Lakeside, California for sending this in. The next one we got is another one he was kind enough to send. Wow, man, you find some cool stuff. This is K-Town Spicy Hula Ramen. This is Korean made for the US market. Really don't know who makes it. It's made for some Grand Supermarket in New Jersey. I don't know. But yeah, let's be on the next episode of Instant Noodles Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.